everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to insert multiple bullet points into cells in Google Sheet with formula. If you need to insert the bullet points into existing cell values, please apply the following formula. Select a cell beside your data and type the following formula. Char, press tab. For the table number, type 8226, close the bracket, and as we want to insert our name after the bullet, so inside double quotation we will insert a space to put a space after the bullet point. Type and select your cell reference E2, press enter. And for the autofill you can check this option, or else you can drag the fill handle down to cells you want to insert the bullet. And now all data cells have been inserted bullets before the text. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.